Lawformer AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's the best new AI software for legal professionals, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a lawyer, legal assistant, or someone curious about how AI can assist in legal work, you won't want to miss what I have to say. First off, Lawformer AI is specifically built to streamline the work of legal professionals by automating time-consuming tasks. It integrates machine learning to interpret legal documents, generate contracts, and even help with legal research. Imagine how much time you could save if this software could assist with your day-to-day tasks. It's designed to do just that. One of the standout features is its ability to understand legal jargon and context. It's not just a simple document generator or research tool. The AI is able to analyze complex legal text and provide valuable insights, making it an excellent resource for both seasoned attorneys and legal teams who need support managing heavy workloads. Next, the software boasts an incredibly user-friendly interface. If you've ever used legal software that was cumbersome and hard to navigate, you'll appreciate Lawformer's simple, intuitive design. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the platform doesn't overwhelm you with features. Everything is laid out clearly and organized efficiently, so you can hit the ground running. Lawformer AI also shines when it comes to document drafting. It can auto-generate a variety of legal documents based on the information you input, whether it's contracts, non-disclosure agreements, or even more complex documents. This can drastically reduce the time spent drafting from scratch and ensure your documents are in line with legal standards. Another key aspect to note is its accuracy. As with any legal work, precision is paramount, and Lawformer AI uses advanced algorithms to ensure the output is legally sound. It's constantly updating its data and learning from new legal cases and standards, meaning it's always on top of the latest legal trends and regulations. For those who are conscious of security, Lawformer AI is built with robust encryption to protect your sensitive legal data. It's compliant with industry standard privacy laws, which is crucial for any legal professional handling private client information. Finally, the cost. While many legal AI tools are out of reach for smaller firms or solo practitioners, Lawformer has made an effort to provide a solution that's scalable for all types of legal professionals. Whether you're just getting started or you've got a well-established practice, there's a pricing tier that will fit your needs. Before you make up your mind, here's the best part. You can try Lawformer AI completely free. I've linked it below in the description. Make sure to check it out, as it could be the game changer you've been waiting for in your legal practice. If you've been searching for the best new AI software to assist with legal work, Lawformer is definitely one you'll want to try. And if you're interested in exploring more AI tools, I've listed my top recommendations in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software solutions, these are the ones I believe can truly make a difference in your daily workflow.